Welcome to the GESDA Summit interviews, and welcome Benedetto Marelli. You're Associate Professor in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at MIT, and you made a presentation today with a strawberry. So you have it with you. Can you tell us a bit more about it?
So this is a very special strawberry for me, because this strawberry is coated with an ancient material that we typically use it for textile, and this material is silk. And the idea is that we experience silk as a natural fiber, but in reality we can thinking about exploiting the properties of silk so that it can become a coating that can envelop our food. And while we do it, the coating is able to keep the water in, the oxygen out, and slow down microbial growth so that it can extend the shelf life of food. And this is a natural-based solution to try to address one of the major problems of our society, which is that we're wasting too much food.
Yeah, that is a big problem. So your lab works on structural biopolymers and nano manufacturing. Can you tell us exactly what that is and what you're cooking in your lab?
Sure. So biopolymers are the building blocks of life. We're made out of biopolymers. The structural ones are the ones that we can use to build something ourselves. And in order to do this, we need to learn the rule of life. So how life uses this biopolymer to make complex tissues as our body, for example. And so we are understanding how we can use biopolymers so that they can become the next generation of advanced materials that can be well integrated with the environment, well tolerated, completely biodegradable, and at the same time can be interfaced with living matters such as food and plants.
Basically, you're working on food supply and food security?
Exactly. So we're working on how to make the agri-food system more resilient and how it can face the need to increase the output while minimizing the use of resources.
But in a world where we all want natural foods, where we want organic things, how will that work? How will the public and the authorities accept this?
So there's a lot of discussions that needs to go on, and people need to be kept informed so that they can accept new type of food that will be designed and engineered. At the same time, they also have the choice to make whether or not they want to keep eating the organic and whole foods that we had eaten for the past millennia. But at the same time, we need to think that so far we only produce food thinking about our health. But in reality is that we need to produce food also thinking about the ecosystem and the planetary health. And this will require some engineering in order to be able to satisfy the need of 10 billion people.
Thank you very much for talking with us today. Thank you.
Thank you so much.